Hey guys, recently while scrolling through my Instagram feed, I noticed many creators make their own custom DeX gadget. So I decided to make one for my own, something useful, emotional and smart that show date and time. Let's see how I build it from scratch. To make this gadget, I have used ESP8266 as a brain, 0.96-inch OLED display, DHT11 temperature humidity sensor, capacitive touch sensor, sliding switch, buzzer, charging module and some connecting wires. If you want to buy this component, then links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. For the enclosure, first I took all the required measurements and note them down in my notebook. Then I start designing the 3D enclosure using my CAD software. After around 3 hours of hard work, my 3D design was finally complete. To bring this idea into reality, I used my 3D printer. After about 1 hour of printing, the enclosure was ready. Later I made a few small modifications and this is the final enclosure you are seeing now. Now let's start connecting the wires with the component. After that, I have fixed the charging module and the switch with the enclosure with the help of state glue. Let's connect all the wires with ESP8266 according to the circuit diagram. I have clearly mentioned all the connection in the circuit diagram and you can download the circuit diagram from the description box. I clearly mount the OLED display followed by the sensor and module using hot glue. Next, I have fixed the component inside the enclosure with the help of state glue. After that, I have connected the battery and secured it properly. Finally, I used screw to fix the back cover. Now it's time to upload the code. The source code link is available in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. After the code uploads successfully, I turn on Wi-Fi on my mobile to set the time and the date. For that, you must on your Wi-Fi and click on clock setup. After that, open any browser on your phone and enter the IP address shown on the display. A portal will open where you can enter your Wi-Fi SSID and password. After you enter your SSID and password, the clock will automatically sync with the internet and set the correct time and date. Now let me show you how it works. A single touch switch between 12-hour and 24-hour format. A long touch, play an animation and put the device into sleeping mode. Another single touch, wake it up. The display also show temperature and humidity along with date and time. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this project. If you have any suggestion or idea for the further modification, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel and share this video with your friend that may help them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.